Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 15th question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. The question is, find the circumference of the inner and outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. Here in this figure you can see the outer and inner circles. We have to find the circumference of these circles. Now, what is circumference? Circumference is the boundary length. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? If diameter of the circle is given, then we can use the formula pi into d. If radius is given, then we can use 2 pi r. Here, two measurements are given. One is 10 meters and the other is 19 meters. Are these radii or diameters? Here you can see 19 meters. It is the radius of the outer circle, isn't it? So we can find the circumference of the outer circle, that is C equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into, here pi is given as 3.14 into radius. It is here 19 meters. Simplifying this, we will get the circumference of this outer circle. Now, what about the inner circle? How to get its radius or diameter? Here, radius of this inner circle is this much length, and we need to get this length. How to get this length? We know this total length is 19 meters, and from this 19 meters, if we subtract this much length, then we will get the radius of this circle. Now, what about this length? It is nothing but 10 meters. So, here radius of the inner circle will be 19 meters minus 10 meters, that is equal to 9 meters. Therefore, circumference will be 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into r is 9 meters. Simplifying this, we will get the circumference of this inner circle. Okay, let us do. Radius of the outer circle equal to 19 meters. Circumference of the outer circle equal to, formula is 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 19 meters. Now we have to multiply this, that is equal to, first we can multiply 2 and 19. 2 19s are 38. So we can write 3.14 into 38 meters. Now we have to multiply 314 and 38. 314 into 38. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. Adding 2. 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 2 11. That is equal to 11932. Next we have to put the decimal. For that, check the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. There are 2 digits, so from the rightmost digit count 1 2. Put the decimal here. That much meters. That is, circumference of the outer circle is 119.32 meters. Next we have to find the circumference of the inner circle. So first let us write radius of the inner circle equal to, what is the radius? It is 19 meters minus 10 meters, that is equal to 9 meters. Now circumference of the inner circle equal to, formula is 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 9 meters, that is equal to, first let us multiply 2 and 9, 2 9s are 18, so it will be 3.14 into 18 meters. Now let us multiply 314 and 18. 314 into 18. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 8 threes are 24 plus 1 25. 1 fours are 4. 1 ones are 1. 1 threes are 3. Adding 2, 5, 6. 3 plus 2, it is 5. That is equal to 5, 6, 5, 2. Now we have to put the decimal. For that, count the number of digits after the decimal. Here there are 2 digits. So in the product from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. That much meters. That is, circumference of the inner circle is 56.52 meters. That is, here we got the circumference of the inner and outer circles. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.